Are you feeling stuck in your life? Maybe your career is on pause. Maybe you're having relationship problems. Maybe your finances are unpredictable. Or you might be wondering, what is my purpose? Why am I here in the first place? The world is in chaos right now. There is economic uncertainty. There is AI disruption. There is wars and conflicts. And you may be feeling that energy deep within you as well. There may be anxiety or fear about what's coming up next. What does the future entail? What if you had a map, your personal map, your birth chart, your cosmic GPS that can tell you what to do, when to do, and how you can move forward? Imagine having full 360-degree clarity on all areas of your life, your career, your relationship, your spiritual path, your purpose, and imagine being able to make life's decisions with 100% confidence. Your birth chart holds the key to all your answers, and it's waiting for you to explore it. So you can learn this science, you can help yourself, and you can help countless other people. Learn how to support your mind through the position of moon in your chart. Discover all your strengths and the skills that you brought from the past lifetimes. Learn how to transform your weaknesses or challenges through powerful, personalized, customized remedies based on your chart. Stop going from astrologer to astrologer hoping to find answers. Stop outsourcing your destiny and be your own astrologer. Join the course and start decoding your destiny. Now you may say, I have tried astrology, I've been to many astrologers, but I still haven't found answers. I still haven't found what I'm looking for. You may say, I have even tried learning astrology. I've learned from many different astrologers, but I still find astrology complicated. It's too many rules, too much information. I don't know where to begin. If that's the case, that means you have not found the right astrology teacher yet. So you don't want to go to any astrologer out there. Astrology is a sacred science. Astrology is our father. Astrology is our mother. It protects us, it guides us, it nourishes us. So you want to select your astrology teacher very carefully. Someone who has walked the path, and someone who can take your hand and bring you to light, show you the light, the path. I have done that for hundreds of my students. I make astrology simple. I make astrology practical and relatable and useful, especially in today's chaotic world. Through stories, through analogies, and through step-by-step process, I'll make sure that you truly understand any birth chart. See, astrology is not just theory. Astrology is pure transformation. It's a sacred science that can give you 360-degree clarity on all areas of your life, your spiritual path, your purpose, your career, and your relationships, everything. So learn astrology, be your own astrologer, transform your own life, transform lives of many other people, and I guarantee that this course will transform your life. So let's walk this sacred journey together. Join my course today.